Good morning, and welcome to your pre-market report for Monday, 25th May, 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets closed mostly higher on Friday, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average rising around approximately 0.7% to a fresh record high, while the S&P 500 gained approximately 0.4%, and the Nasdaq Composite added approximately 0.2%. Investor sentiment remained supported by easing Treasury yields, optimism around AI and semiconductor demand, and hopes of easing U.S.-Iran tensions, although weakness in NVIDIA shares limited gains in technology stocks. Asian markets are trading mostly positive on Monday, with the Nikkei gaining around 3%, while the Hang Seng also traded higher, supported by positive cues from Wall Street and continued optimism around AI and semiconductor stocks. Improved global risk sentiment, easing crude oil prices, and softer Treasury yields are supporting Asian equities, although investors remain cautious amid lingering geopolitical tensions and inflation concerns. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 23,958, thereby indicating a positive opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices are trading slightly lower today, as easing concerns around immediate supply disruptions and optimism over possible progress in U.S.-Iran talks triggered mild profit booking in energy markets. Gold prices are trading firm with a positive bias, supported by safe haven demand, softer Treasury yields, and expectations of future rate cuts, although improving global equity sentiment is limiting sharper upside momentum. Eicher Motors reported its highest-ever quarterly performance in Q4 FY26, with net profit rising 12% YOY to 1,520 crore rupees. Strong demand for Royal Enfield motorcycles helped the company achieve record sales volumes, revenue, and EBITDA during the quarter. NTPC posted a strong Q4 FY26 performance, with profits surging 34.4% YOY to 10,615 crore rupees, despite a marginal decline in revenue. The earnings growth reflects improved operational efficiency and stronger overall profitability for the state-owned power major. Lupin has received approval from China's National Medical Products Administration for its oseltamivir phosphate drug in partnership with Yabao Pharmaceuticals. The approval marks Lupin's first product entry into the Chinese market and strengthens its international expansion strategy. Given the correction seen in crude oil prices, combined with a mostly positive open for the Asian markets following strong global cues, Nifty is expected to open in the green today. Levels need to therefore be readjusted, with new supports being at 23,835, followed by 23,700, while resistances will be at 24,000 followed by 24,150. A positive bias in trading may be expected today, given the strong external cues. Still elevated crude oil prices. Despite a correction, persistent geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, rising global bond yields, inflation concerns, and volatility in FII flows remain key risks for Indian markets, keeping pressure on investor sentiment, currency stability, and inflation expectations. Strong momentum in global AI and technology stocks, easing crude oil prices, softer Treasury yields, resilient domestic institutional buying, and healthy Q4 earnings momentum from Indian corporates could continue to support Indian equities and broader market sentiment. On Friday, foreign institutional investors were net sellers of about 4,440 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net buyers of around 6,004 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on May 25, 2026. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for stock market-related updates. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.